How to install n8n on your Docker best method. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you the exact way how you can download or you can say install n8n on your Docker step by step, even if you are just getting started with automation. So what we are going to do in this video, first of all, we will download this Docker and then we will pull the official n8n image to in our Docker, and then we will create a Docker volume to persist your data and then launch your n8n instance fully ready for production or local testing. So let's get started. So first requirement is if you want to access the cloud version of n8n, just go into description and click on that link. You will get 15 days free trial. So what you have to do is just simply come to this first step is to what you have to do is just come to this docker.com, and you have to download this Docker desktop. So right now you have three options, like you can download for Apple. If you are using Windows, you can download for Windows, and then you have Linux. So right now I'm using this AMD 64. So I have to download this 64 Windows AMD 64. So after the downloadation, so right now I have already downloaded this Docker desktop, so I don't need to download it again. So it's very simple. Just download and install this Docker desktop on your laptop. So it's like just downloading and installing the game. It's very simple as that. Now after that, uh, if you go back and open your Docker desktop, something will look like this. In the left side, you will find there is an option of containers, and then you have images and the volume. So container where the n8n will sit, and images where you can access. So let's not go into dev tech. So go into search bar and search for n8n. So right now I have already downloaded the latest version of n8n, as you can see here. So I don't need to download it again. So what you have to do, I will do is I will download this nightly version. So you have to download this, you have to click on this latest version. And just after selecting the version, you have to click on the pull button, and then it will pull the n8n image into your Docker desktop. Wait for a few seconds to download it. So we have downloaded, or you can say we have successfully pulled out this nightly version. So make sure you have pulled the latest version. Now after that, you have to click on the run and click on this optional setting. And from here, you have to add a container name. Then you have to add a host post, and then you have to give a host path, and then we will add a container path. So first, let's add test1 as a container name. Then you have to add 5678 as a port name. Then you have to give a host path. So I have already created a folder in my system, which is this one. Just let me search for that, and select the folder. So you can just simply store the whatever data, or you can say you can store your credential workflow on that folder. So you don't need to worry about data loss when you update. And then after that, you have to give a container path. The container path is home/node/.n10. And then after, you can add environment variables and click on the run button. Now, as you can see, we have got this editor is now accessible via this link. Just simply click on that link. It will take you to this n8n workflow. So again, let me just refresh this. It is not accessible till now. Let me access it again. So there was an error because of my internet. Now over here, you have to enter your email address, and then you have to enter your email and name and last name and then password. So just let me just click on this get started. Now over here, you will get paid feature for free forever. Just simply add over here an email address and click on the send a free license key. Now go to your Gmail to access your free license key. Now let me go to my Gmail. As you can see, we got our license key. I guess this is the one. Just copy that and get back to our n8n workflow and click on this three dot from the left side and click on the setting. And from there, you have to go to enter activation key. and this, then paste that key over here, and then after that you have to click on this active button. Now as you can see, the license activated. Now from here you can access the paid feature of n8n for lifetime. Now click on this create workflow and let's see if it is working or not. Click on this add first step and execute our workflow. So as you can see here, we have successfully executed our workflow, and this is the way you can just simply access n8n into your Docker. So if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to the channel, and let me give you a quick review. First, we have downloaded the Docker desktop. Then after that, we have pulled this n8n image, the latest one. Make sure you have pulled this latest image on your Docker container. Then after, we have set up this optional setting where we have given the path, we have created folder, and then we have run. Then we get the host, or you can say the link to access the n8n workflows like this. And then we have created an account and access the paid feature for free. So if you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.